We have 6 communities here in Crow Reservation. About 4 of these communities were isolated because of the waters.
My old home across the street got about 30 inches of water in it. It's been there since my dad and grandfather built it in 1950.
And I could actually feel the wind trying to tug at me and to pull me out of the house. But also in that I felt like a hand holding me down.
This area right here, there are no deaths.
Praise
No serious injuries.
My husband went to the door and he came back and he said, Kenneth Copeland Ministries is here. I said, you're joking, you're joking. I was so surprised, so shocked, but feel so much love.
We sure appreciate it in this little town. We're a small town, but we got a big heart. And we really appreciate it from the depths of our hearts for Kenneth and Gloria's ministry for coming here to Moscow. Who would ever think they would come to Moscow?
We haven't been through this before, but they've been to all these different things and they know the different procedures. It's awesome. They blessed us with some finances to be able to distribute and help people. You know, most ministries don't do that. So really it's being Jesus on the earth, not just talking about it.
I just believe in all they do because I know they help other people. I never thought they would remember me. I know there's a special place for them because of all the good they've done.
So we stand and encourage. We look around, but we're encouraged. Look outside, we're encouraged. We know that our God, our Redeemer, living. We know. So thank Kenneth Copeland Ministry and Glory and all the partners and everyone and all of you who have come out to give us an encouraging word and to strengthen us. And we just thank the Lord. We thank God that we are partners to a ministry that cares.